Hello students, today we are going to talk about again a different type of operator, and that operator is relation operator. We can also say comparison operator. So it is also an operator, and this operator helps us to compare in two values in our C program. So what are the types of relation operator? So following are the types: equals to. For equals to, we write 2 times equals to sign. Like if we want to compare A and B, then we have to put A, then 2 times equals to sign, then B. Similarly, if we want to so whether two values are same or not, then we have to put not equal to, that is A, then exclamation, then equals to sign B. It means A is not equal to B. Similarly, for greater than, we have to put greater than symbol like this here. For smaller than, we have to put smaller than symbol. If the value is greater or maybe equal to, then we have to put greater than or the equal to sign like given here. And for lesser than, we have to put smaller than and the equal to sign. So these are the relational operator we use in our C programming. Not only C programming, in other programming languages also we can use same type of relational operators. And to understand in a better way, let's see an example of relation operator. Let's take two values. Greater than. Relation operator returns the value in the form of 0 and 1. If the condition is true, it returns 1. If the condition is false, it returns 0. Like A greater than B. Smaller than. Similarly, we can also use others. Now let's save it. Let's run it. So we can see here A and B, they are not equal to each other, so it is giving us 0. Similarly, we can see in second, that is A is greater than B. Here A is not greater than B, so it is returning 0. We can see here. Similarly, in third part, there is A is smaller than B, and obviously the value of A is smaller than B, so it is returning 1. Means the condition is true, so it is giving us 1. Next line is the not equal to, and obviously A and B, they are not equal to each other, so it is returning 1. Means the relational operator returns us the value in the form of 0 and 1. If the condition is true, it gives us 1. If the condition is false, it gives us 0. So I think this program make you clear that what is this relation operator and how we use in our program. In some more examples I'll give you when we'll talk about the control instructions in C program. For now, this was for today. Thank you. In next session, we'll be talking about some more operators, and that will be logical operator and assignment operator and many others.